Going to call the field office, the district office of Letitia Van de Putte, San Antonio Senator, or Texas Senator. San Antonio is the district office number here.
Senator Van de Putte's office, this is Alyssa.
Did you say Alyssa?
Yes, sir.
Alyssa, hello. My name is Nathan Miller. I had an issue while I was driving through your state and through the city of San Antonio, and this was back on May 6th, 2013. Anyways, I'd filed a complaint dealing with the SAPD down there, and I sent a copy of it. It was mailed on May 14th, certificate of mailing, to Senator, did you say DePutte? Is that how you say her last name?
Van de Putte?
Van de Putte, okay. To the address 101 West Nueva Street, Suite 809, San Antonio, Texas. Basically, it's gotten a lot larger than what I had originally sent the complaint about. I also made open records requests for the dash cam video and my mobile data terminal from the traffic stop that I was involved in.
Okay.
And my complaint, I never received a response from her office, but now I've got the my complaint right now is pretty much with the city attorney's office for withholding evidence, with the municipal court for due process violation and malicious prosecution, the SAPD for withholding evidence as well, and the mayor and the city council members never get back to me either. I've tried to contact them, I've called them, and there's been letters sent and complaints filed. The Attorney General's office and the Governor's office have all been informed, and I've been told, I contacted the Governor's office, the Department of Tourism, because I was a tourist driving through your guys' state, and they told me, to hammer it out with the city officials. And you guys were one of my first leads that I was contacting, trying to figure out.
Okay, and did you ever speak with somebody on phone in our office?
From your office, I do not think I did.
Okay, Miller.
Yes.
Is the spelling of your last name?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you said Nathan, correct?
Yes.
Okay, looking in our records, I'm not seeing your name. So off of that, I apologize since you said you did mail it to our address.
Right.
Let me go ahead and, so you're seeking assistance, though, with help, because SAPD and then the city attorney's office withheld evidence.
Right, yes. And the municipal court now has gone through with a due process violation and a malicious prosecution. I wasn't able to defend myself, which, how can I defend myself if their prosecution division and everybody else withholds evidence and tries to claim that it's private evidence when it's clearly public record, and on top of it being public record, it's my case. I'm the defense. I should be allowed to see.
Do you have legal representation, sir?
No, it's me. I tried contacting those lawyers down in San Antonio, and that was, a brood of vipers.
And where do you reside?
I'm in Minnesota. That's why this has been going on as long as it has, because they think that just because I'm way the heck up here, they can violate my rights and get away with it because I'm 1,200 miles away. So the thing is,
and it happened within Bexar County?
Yes. Oh yeah, it happened in Bexar County on May 6th. I've got the.
And what exactly happened?
Oh, it was just this is the stupid part about it is that it was just a speeding ticket, except they put the incorrect name on the ticket, and I contacted the municipal court, and I told them, hey, you guys have the wrong name. I filed a complaint. The officer obviously doesn't know how to operate his own equipment, and I corrected all the information. They were sending incorrect letters and mail, public information, and
okay, so they had
legal
your name
documents
wrong on the ticket.
Yes,
And that was the only thing that was wrong?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, and what did the name say?
The name was what was it? Ralph, Miller, Nathan. All three names were incorrect. The address was correct, yes.
And date of birth, everything?
I don't know. I didn't open it. It's a, I can't open it. It's addressed to somebody who doesn't live here. And, not to mention, it's a stinking federal offense to open mail that does not come. But anyways, I got a hold of the district, or the municipal court, and I corrected all the information for them and made sure they had everything right. And then they just went right ahead without giving me the evidence that I requested.
What were you requesting?
I was requesting the dash cam video and the mobile data terminal from the stop, and they're unwilling to give that to me. In my own case, they're unwilling to give it to me. Public information. I made
the recording of the dash cam, and then what else?
The mobile data terminal 2 hours before and 2 hours after the stop. I also had...
And why were you seeking that?
Because if I'm going to defend myself in court, I would like to see the evidence. I have evidence that proves... Here's the deal.
Did you ever plead guilty or non-guilty?
No,
or
I did not. I never did. No.
Did you ever attend the court date?
I contacted them long before the court date and tried to figure this out and tried to get things taken care of, but I was in Minnesota already. Like I said, I was just driving through.
Okay, so what did they say about the court date?
Oh, well, they put an extension on it because I corrected the information for them, and they did...
So right now, are you... do you take responsibility that you were speeding? And
see, that's just the thing, is that it's not... It has become more than that. It's the simple fact that, hey, I am a citizen of the United States. I may not be your stinking... I may not be one of your constituents, but if I make 3 public information requests, 2 via your stinking San Antonio Open Records Division, the liaison down there didn't get back to me. She told me she needed a written request, so I sent her a written request. They got back to me late. They have all these deadlines, all this stuff. There's all these payment buttons, but there is no justice button. So then I go ahead and make a discovery request.
If you could just slow down for me?
Okay. Then I go ahead and make a discovery request.
I really, I'm going to try to figure out if I can direct you somewhere or get some information. Like, unfortunately, as the state office, we don't have jurisdiction within county matters.
Right. It's a city matter, but
figure something out for you.
Well, it's just the fact that, I mean, I sent something on May the 6th, and I was hoping that, I understand that you guys are all most of you are elected officials, but I informed the governor as well, and I informed a lot of other offices. I informed the senator here. And I just wanted to see why it was a dead end, and hoping that, between you guys, and if I can't get
I am not finding what you had sent in to us. The only thing I can ask now is if you want to resend it, so I can have the information and what the names of the people and where you were working with, and then I can try to go from there.
If you want to send me I've got so much. That was the very first article of information that I sent out, was that piece right there. And that was on May 14th, like I said. And we're now on, October 2nd or 3rd here. And
So do you want to resend that?
The file is huge. What, could I email or scan a bunch of a copy of it to you? Because there's going to be a lot more information involved. And I'm sure that San Antonio isn't going to give you all the information, because they like to withhold evidence. So I can email it to you if it would be quicker.
Yes. Let me write down your email right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you want my email address?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can go with it's republicofhonor@aol.com.
Okay. Republic of Honor?
Yes.
Okay, and let me go ahead and also just grab your address, sir.
Oh, it's 10919 Dahlia Street, Dahlia, Northwest.
Dahlia?
Dahlia.
Okay.
Coon Rapids, Dahlia Street, Northwest, Coon Rapids, Minnesota 55433.
Coon
Yes.
And the zip?
55433. But see, yeah, the reason why I'm now really getting into this is because some Fred Garcia Jr., who I filed complaints against, has sent out a notification to suspend my license when I haven't had the right to defend myself yet. When his office and everybody else down there just continues to withhold
and that's
evidence.
Texas?
What's that?
That's in Texas?
That's, yes. I've got his address, everything here. He's a municipal court clerk down there in San Antonio.
And he is now saying that your license is suspended?
Yes, as of,
Okay.
He sent me a letter that on September 4th, he sent this letter that, that I had 30 days to pay, basically. Same thing with the city attorney's office. Every time I've called them, they've passed me on to 3 different attorneys, and now they send me a letter saying, hey, we don't want to hear from you unless you're going to send the check for the money. That's basically what they're saying, because they don't pick up my phone.
Okay, so 30 days went by.
By September 4th.
So I have to assume that that's why,
From
correct?
September 4th. What was that? From 30 days from September 4th. So, yeah, it's coming down to the wire here again.
Okay, well, again, if you want to send over that information for me to look over, and then I can try to get any information that may be useful to you or direct you somewhere.
Okay.
Again, unfortunately, the senator doesn't have jurisdiction within city or county matters.
Right.
So
But if she,
I do want to try to get you directed somewhere, try to figure something out. So
Right.
I'll do the best that I can for you.
Okay, I understand. But all I'm saying is that I'm sure a call from her to whatever, this Fred Garcia or something, or even just a letter to her from her saying, hey, why is this happening? Why are you treating people like this? Why do you,
Well,
you
sir,
know?
we're going to place an inquiry. If you
Okay.
can go ahead and send over that information.
Okay, and where should I email it to? What email address should I email it to?
I just took down your email address. I'm going to send you an email right now,
Okay.
and then you'll have my contact information.
All right, gotcha. I'll scan over a bunch of stuff to you.
Okay.
All right. Thank
And
you.
then let me just grab a number for you, sir.
Okay, it is 320-336-9514.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Then I will look forward to talking with you soon.
all right, thank you.
Okay,
Take
thank you.
care. Yep, bye.